Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be a real life gym test of the Realme Buds Q2. So we're going to use it in the gym. So I've actually been working out right now. I've been testing it with different exercises like machines, with bench press, with treadmills, with the hanging exercises and all of those. I've actually done a combined workout today and I've tried to do most of the things in which this might fall. Let's see how this is going to perform, and after that we'll be talking about what to expect from this in the gym. So let's go do the exercise. Okay, so you've seen the exercise. I've actually done a lot of exercises, and this is not the first time. I've been using it for quite some time. I've been using it for jogging also outside, not on the treadmill. So even in those scenarios, no issues. I've been running around in the rain also, so I didn't have any issues with water per se. No issue with water, no issue with sweat. But yes, when you get sweaty, especially my ears actually get a lot sweaty. So this slips a little bit, but it will not fall off. It still takes the shape of your ears, so it still stays there. But it does slip a little. So in between, I had to adjust it. Other than that, I didn't have any issues. No matter what kind of exercise I did, whether I did machines, whether I did weights, whether I did pull-ups, push-ups, whether I did crunches, anything, whatever I threw at it, it performed well and I didn't have any issues. The noise isolation is quite good. I really like the sound quality of this. The bass is quite high, and if there are people blaring other music on the sound system, you can actually drown out all of that, because this gets quite loud. So this is an all-rounder. You can use it for gym, you can use it for your work because of the battery life. It's got 7 hours of battery life, and waterproofness is great. I would be putting the waterproofness test also next. I will be putting the link below, so you can actually see that. I'll be taking it to the shower, I'll be showering with it, and then I'll be taking it to the steam room, which is not recommended for electronic devices, but steam room test also will be done, so you can see the results in that too. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye bye.